In this video, I'll show you multiple different things that you can do if your Samsung TV remote is either not working at all, or maybe it responds very badly and maybe it's very laggy. So first, if it's not working at all, then what I suggest do is simply open up your remote and simply take out the batteries from it. And also you want to completely unplug your TV from electricity as well, so simply unplug it. Okay. And make sure it's off, and we want to leave it like that for maybe a minute. In the meantime, also take your remote control and simply press its power button and hold it again for maybe a minute. So hold the button while the TV is off for a minute, and then plug it back in, insert the batteries and see if it works. And if that didn't work, if you have this type of remote control, so in this style, maybe you have a microphone on the top, especially on those, then we actually have to repair them to your TV. So the way we pair it to the TV, we first have to get it very close to the TV, especially very near your Samsung logo. And then you hold the back button plus this play pause at the same time for maybe like 10 seconds. And it should pair to your TV after, So again, the play pause plus this back button. We hold it for literally 10 seconds and it should pair to your TV. If it still doesn't work, you can also try to reset your remote. So this process will depend on what kind of remote you have. So for example, if you have one of these larger remotes or remote control without the microphone, then you again simply pull out the batteries from it and hold the power button for up to minutes essentially. We simply want to discharge all the current inside it. But if you have a remote control with Bluetooth and also a microphone, then there are two ways how to reset them depending on which kind you have. So if you do not have a multi-view window on your remote here, then we simply press back button plus this middle button and hold it like that for maybe like 10 seconds and it will reset. However, if in this place you have a multi-view button, so this is not the correct one, but again, if you have a microphone here and a multi-view button here, then we hold the back button plus that multi-view button for 10 seconds and it should reset. After that, again, we need to repair it to your TV back together. So then the back plus play pause. So this one, after you reset it, you simply pair it back to your TV by this one plus this one. But if you have a remote control that doesn't have a Bluetooth, then again, this doesn't work for those. We simply take out the batteries and see if it works after that. Also, one last thing what you can do is, maybe there is some stuck button on your remote. So if basically some button on your remote gets stuck, it essentially will send the signal to your TV at all times and will simply confuse the TV and simply won't work very good. So what you want to do on your remote, you simply want to literally press every button on your remote. So keep massaging it essentially in various ways. You want to get them unstuck. So again, if some button is stuck, it's simply sending the signal and confusing your TV, and that also maybe is the reason why it doesn't work. So you simply massage it, click like crazy in multiple different ways and see if it gets unstuck. So literally go over all the buttons on any of these remotes. So simply, massage them in various ways, tilt them in various ways and try to get it to work again. And lastly, again, if you suspect maybe some button is simply stuck, you can also do the good old smacking as well and see if it revives your remote as well. Okay, good luck.